Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The 23rd meeting of the Rajya Sainik Board, which looks into the welfare of retired defence personnel and widows, was held at the conference room of the Meghalaya Secretariat on the 24th of August 2022. The meeting was chaired by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma in the presence of the retired Director, Directorate of Sainik Welfare Administrative Building, Col Gautam Kumar Rai. Discussions were also held on the construction of the Sainik Rest office complex in Shillong, the establishment of the ECHS Polytechnic in Tura, the enhancement of cash grant to winners of the Gallantry and Distinguished Awards in the state, the establishment of the Sainik School in Meghalaya, and the constitution of the welfare organizers at Jowai and Baghmara. The meeting was also attended by the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, D.P. Walang, the AOC in charge of the Eastern Air Command, Air Marshal D.K. Patnaik, the COS Headquarters 101 area, Major General R. Amar, besides others. While addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma lauded the efforts of the Sainik Welfare Board, who has been taking care of the welfare of retired officers and widows, and added that the state government has always been looking towards services of such retired and experienced defence personnel for the good of the entire state. In his address, retired Colonel Gautam Kumar Rai also acknowledged the fact that the Meghalaya government will do all it can to see to the welfare of the defence community and their families.
Today we had the 23rd Rajya Sainik Board meet, which was held after COVID. The last meeting we had was in February 2020, and due to COVID we could not take the points which was raised during that meeting, 22nd meeting. But the same thing was raised in this particular meeting, and many things were sorted out. And one of the main achievement of this particular meeting is we have started construction of Sainik Rest House. Sainik Rest House is office come the rest house complex for our veterans. We have got one now in Shillong, and the construction started in full swing. Now the moment this thing comes up, the Directorate office will be placed there. And since we have the guest rooms and all that, all our the veterans and the widows who will be coming from far-flung areas, like from the Garo Hills, or even from the Jayanta Hills and all, even Rivoy and all that, they can stay in a room which is well furnished and cheap. And the best part is it will be safe because it is within the cantonment. The land given to us is just behind the Bauri Netralaya in Pine Walk area, and the construction is going on full swing. This is the main achievement of our directorate with the blessings of our Honorable Chief Minister, who is also the Rajya Sainik Board President of this state.